Dear student, good morning. As you know, the pandemic of COVID-19, the CBSE has reduced the portion of chemistry class 11. So what portion are reduced in a chapter wise, we can explain in this video. So this video is more informative for you, and in the post condition you can understand which portion is reduced, and you are not concentrate those topic. So easily you can put in your NCERT book. So let me start the first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. The parts are reduced, nature of matter, laws of chemical combinations, and Dalton's atomic theory, and concept of elements, atom and molecules. So this part is reduced in a chapter unit first, some basic concept of chemistry. So if you have seen my previous videos, so you can reduce easily this part, because this part is the syllabus in 2020-21. Next is the chapter structure of atom. The part are reduced, discovery of electron, proton and neutron, atomic number, isotopes and isobars, Thomson's model and its limitations, and Rutherford's model and its limitations. This part is reduced by the CBSE, so you don't concentrate on mind this reduced portion. Third chapter, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. In this unit, the part are reduced, significance of classification and brief history of the development of periodic table. The fourth unit, chemical bonding and molecular structure. There are no any reduction in this unit, means whole the parts is in your syllabus, and this unit is not take any reduced part. And chapter number 5, which is known as states of matter, gases and liquids, and the parts are removed, liquefaction of gases, critical temperature, kinetic energy and molecular speeds, elementary idea, liquid state, vapor pressure, viscosity and surface tension, qualitative idea only, and mathematical derivation. So student, these part are reduced. Chapter number 6, chemical thermodynamics. The parts are reduced, heat capacity and specific heat capacity, and criteria for equilibrium. This part is reduced. Chapter number 7, equilibrium, the last chapter in volume first. The part are reduced, hydrolysis of salt, elementary idea and Henderson equation. These two parts are reduced from the chapters number 7. Chapter number 8, redox reaction. The applications of redox reaction are removed. In chapter number 9, hydrogen, the preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen are removed. And hydrogen peroxide, preparation, reactions and structure and uses are reduced. Chapter number 10, S block element. The part are reduced, preparation and properties of some important compounds, and the compounds are sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide and sodium hydrogen carbonate, biological importance of sodium and potassium, calcium oxide and calcium carbonate, their industrial uses, and biological importance of magnesium and calcium. So these part are reduced in your syllabus. Chapter number 11, some P block element. The part are reduced, some important compounds, borax, boric acid and boron hydrides, aluminium, reactions with acids and alkalis, use carbon, use of some important compounds like oxide and important compounds of silicon, and a few uses of silicon tetrachloride, silicon, silicates, zeolites, their uses. So there are big part are reduced in S block elements and P block elements. And chapter number 12, organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques, and the part are reduced. The methods of purification, qualitative and quantitative analysis, this part are reduced in this year. Chapter number 13 is hydrocarbons, the free radical mechanism of halogenation, combustion and pyrolysis. These part are reduced. And chapter number 14, environmental chemistry, the whole chapter is reduced from this year. So student, I hope this video is more informative for you. In a pause condition, you can easily see which part are reduced, and also you get the PDF file for your betterment for syllabus. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.